Let's book our book, Angel and Chidimma. Chineli's phone is next month before we travel. Ciao! So guys, we're ready. And over here I have my yarn. So guys, hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel, Lucy Baby Mommy Vlogger Base in Italy. So guys, this morning I want to open our Banco. Maybe let's say it's Konkom, yes. But Yoruba people call it Bankolo. I don't know. So guys, we're about to open it. This is our money meat pie. Our money for meat pie. Money meat pie. So guys, in this background we are putting meat pie money here. We are saving it here. So it's January to July. This is July. Today is 4th of July. So it's 6 months. So we want to open it and see how much we save, because we need this money now for our feeding, for our summer holidays. So we want to make use of it. And guys, okay, let's open it first. Open it first. So guys, let's count it. So guys, we have already done counting it. So what you have here is 1,390 for 6 months. This my mini business meat pie is giving. I'm so happy and grateful for 6 months. And I'm not doing it every day. Only Friday, the one I'm taking to Nigeria market and people that call me to bake for them. Imagine if I'm doing it every day. So if you have any small business that you want to start it. So what you make for 6 months from January to July is 1,003 something. If David, Paula Kate, come and book. Paula Kate. So guys, we are in the bank. Today is Saturday now. So you have to use card and open it. So guys, it's closed. Bring my card out. Guys, we are now in post office. Let's deposit money in our post pay. So guys, right now we are in Conard to book our library. Let's book our book, Angel and Chidimma. Chineli's phone is next month before we travel. Ciao! So guys, we are buying questo sushi.
Mami, dai quello cos'è?
No, è pollo, ma è integrale, no? Se vuoi pollo prendiamo quell'altro. Quell'altro pollo.
Voglio pollo. Poi lo vedo bene. Ma guarda come lo tieni.
We'll be taking this one. Meglio questo. So guys, we are going to cook risofreddo today. So we don't know the condition we are going to buy.
l'ho
The
trovato.
risofreddo.
Mamma l'ho trovato io.
So guys, we are eating risofredo, but the rice is still hot because I'm supposed to cook the rice in the morning, you know, but it's not the same. So here I have my tono. Then I have my veggies, corn. My mayonnaise. Okay. Crescendo. Can you see? Risofredo with sushi. I don't know what it is. This for chilima and the chicken good. Chicken wings or chicken baguette. Voila. Can you see? Risofredo, Italian food. Noi, yes, we like Italian food. But this is not Italian rice. This is our Obama rice. I'm using Obama rice. So what is this? Riebung. It's like any. Umazia nembe ne spend edi. Pluck it. Okay. Whether it's hot. Why do you need another expo?
That's
I'm making video. Move your head. I don't want. Have it done. Happy Sunday, guys. So we're about to cook. We're about to make our lunch.
I'm gonna make the fire for you.
I will cook a boiled yam with egg sauce. It's not going to eat it. Pluck it. Continue watching. Happy Sunday to you all.
Now my computer Boom. Mami, vai pizzaria. Oh, there's this.
So here I have my red pepper and the onions, red onions, and the preserve. So my guests are already helped me to cut it. And the When you have 4 eggs, 4 pieces, yes, 4 eggs. And then this is, so let me do my tomato paste. So guys, it's ready. And over here I have my yam. For giochi. Giochi. So thanks for watching till now. I'll see you in my next video. Click it in my channel.